If your bolts don't have the snap-off edge and are threaded the whole way, you have to use one of these tools, the hacksaw. I recommend putting a piece of cardboard in to protect your hacksaw from hitting your toilet while you saw it off. Be careful, it could be a little hot. Clean up the shavings from the saw, and you're ready to go. I do recommend, if you have the option, getting the bolts that snap off. Much easier. Here we have the old closet bolt, and you can see it's a lot shorter than the new one they put in. They make the closet bolts long because if they're too short, they can be very difficult. Before I pulled this one up tight, it was only sticking up at this far, so it'd be very difficult to line this up when putting the toilet base back on. And of course, by making them long, you then would have to hacksaw them off to make the cap fit. It's way too tall for the cap to fit on there. But luckily, they now have them with the indention here, so they're supposed to snap right off with a pair of pliers to make it easy, because with a hacksaw it doesn't take long, but you could easily scratch up your bowl. So let's give it a shot here. There it is. Popped right off, made it shorter. And the decorative cap goes over, and you're done. Here's another angle. It's going to come in, rock it back and forth. And off it comes. Then all you gotta do is put the decorative cap on. And done. I will caulk around this bottom base here after I'm done. I like to put a couple flushes through it first and make sure there's no leaks, so I don't have to recaulk.